My name is Binay Krishna Maity from Unemployed Innovatives. I am a Swachhta Saarthi fellow of 2021. My fellowship number is SSFC44. My aim is to recycle used plastic pouches. Here is the process of recycling the pouches. At first we collect the pouches from our community, then wash these. Then we cut the pouches into the tapes. Then we attach one side of the tape into the jaw of one wheel and other side into another wheel. Then twisting one wheel and compressing another wheel, we produce wires. This is the produce of producing wires, and these are the wires. Then we make bags using the weaving machine. This is the process of making of bags. And these are the bags. And in the other hand, we make the handmade toys applying knot techniques on the wires. This is the process of making toys. And we also make nets using the wires. Here all types of people can be engaged, like housewife, old age person and unemployed youth. Thank you.